Welcome back to Start Coding with MK. In this video, we will organize our HTML code by moving the CSS code from the head section to an external CSS file. First, we will select the CSS code within the style tag in our head section and cut it. Next, we will create a new directory called CSS inside our root directory. Inside this folder, we will create a new file called styles.css. We will then go ahead and paste the CSS code we just cut into the styles.css and save it. Now, let us go back to our HTML file. Within the head section, we will remove the style tag and replace it with link element to link your new CSS file. The updated head section should now include the link element and look like this. To understand the link element, let us discuss it in three parts. The link tag is used to define a relationship between the current document and an external resource. It's most commonly used to refer to external style sheets and other resources like icons. The relationship attribute specifies the relationship between the current document and the linked resource. In this case, rel equals style sheet indicates that the linked file is a style sheet. The hypertext reference attribute provides the URL or path to the linked resource. In this case, css/styles.css is the path to the CSS file located in the CSS directory inside the root directory.